All right, guys, we got a 2018 Chevy Corvette. He just got it 2 weeks ago. Brought it right to us. He's like, I gotta get exhaust. It's too quiet. My kind of guy. Anyways, converter, secondary converters under this heat shield, X pipe under this heat shield. Then it goes up over the rear end. We put 2 Carven R's, as you guys can see there and there. Part number CVS R25. There'll be a link in the description for them. There they are, 2 Carvens. And they're reused his stock tips. He didn't want to put new tips on it. So I said, no problem. We'll put the stock tips back on it. There you go. Chevy Corvette with Carven R's. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. All right, guys, 2019 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport. Woo, look at that Grand Sport. It is a sexy beast. Sexy stripes. All around, really nice, beautiful car. Let me show you what we did on it. Factory converter. Factory converter's only got 14,000 miles on it, guys. Secondary converters there, then an X pipe under there, then 3-inch pipe out the back. There's valves on it up here too, guys. Look at that. Right there, right there. We left those alone, and we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And then finished it off nicely with 2 carbon fiber black tips. Right there. Right there. Clean, nice, beautiful, shiny, all that good stuff right there. There's the 2 mufflers that come on it. Make sure you guys check us out on all our other platforms. For sure, subscribe. All right, guys, 2015 Chevy Corvette LT1 6.2 built. You'll see, you guys will hear it in a second. But he brought it in, was way too quiet. So we said, we got you, man. We'll hook you up. We'll fix it up for you. So there's the long tube headers there, as you guys can see. That's the first telltale sign. Then there's cats under there. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's 2 high flow cats, and there's an X pipe before the high flow cat, which is a different system than I usually see. Usually the cats are before the X pipe. But this time they put it before. Oh, and then it's 3-inch system all the way back over the rear end. And then what we did is put 2.5-inch pipe out the back for a muffler delete. It's still got valves on it, there and there, for back pressure. As you guys can see, the mufflers had 2.5 on them too, so we just added them back in. There's a 2 MagnaFlow setup that was on it. It was way too quiet, so we took it off and replaced it. But still got the badass 4-inch tips out the back. There, right there, as you guys can see. Here we go, American muscle. We are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. That's our shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital. You can reach us at 615-612-6244 for any questions or comments. Fits it perfectly, man. Until you get a cab. Get a cab next. But everybody does that now. It's the chop, you know. I like this. This sounds really clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Wow. Better. Look at the idle on it, guys. 93 on the idle. Go ahead. Woo. Much better. That sounds clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 117. Yeah, sounds really nice. Again? 119. Keeps getting louder and louder. Go ahead and bring it on back. See that idle? Very nice. Such a sexy looking car, man. Which one do you guys like more then? This style or the new body style? Let me know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh, they have that stick gray in the window, the back window. Inside, it's like glass. It's a hardtop convertible. Here we go. That sound never gets old, man. Really nice stance to it. This guy is his like 5th or 6th car. He keeps switching them up and keeps moving up and up. Such a nice build. Such a beautiful stance on this thing. That cab's amazing. What do you guys think of the vinyl wrap on it? Oh, that's clean. I like that. That's different. Here we go. Takeoff time. Chevy Corvette with Carven R's. Oh yeah. That's perfect. Beast mode. Oh, it's perfect. Enjoy, guys. Just 1 second. Is that better? I told you. Enjoy it, brother. Anytime. Perfect with the carbon fiber tips. It's just clean. Beautiful. It is so clean. We got a crowd building today, all waiting for a nice drive off. So let's see if he gives us one. Here we go. Oh, so good. Wow. See, it puts smiles on everybody's faces. I love it. Wow. Hell yeah.